Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I am Vidhi Joshi. In recent order announced by the US President Donald Trump, which aims to slash prescriptive drug prices in the United States to be lowered by up to 80%. This change in price is likely to create ripple effect in the global pharmaceutical landscape, raising alarms about potential repercussions for India's pharmaceutical policies, according to a report by Global Trade Research Initiative. Trump's most favored nation pricing rule will make US as the lowest charged country in terms of US drug prices. While this move could lower costs for American patients, it's expected to pressure pharmaceutical companies to seek higher revenues elsewhere, potentially targeting markets like India. Shedding light on his decision, Trump wrote on social media stating that he is pleased to announce that he will be signing one of the most consequential executive orders in the country's history. Prescription drug and pharmaceutical prices will be reduced almost immediately by 30% to 80%. He added that they will rise throughout the world in order to equalize and for the first time in many years bring fairness to America. He further added that they will be instituting a most favored nations policy whereby the United States will pay the same prices as the nation that pays the lowest price anywhere in the world. He added that his country will finally be treated fairly and citizens' healthcare costs will be reduced by numbers never even thought of before. Additionally, on top of everything else, the United States will save trillions of dollars. GTRI research says that while the move any offer immediate relief to American patients, however, it is likely to trigger a global price recalibration with pharmaceutical giants intensifying pressure on lower cost markets like India to raise their prices by tightening patent laws through the trade negotiations. The report suggests that as global pharmaceutical firms turn to FTAs to extract TRIPS plus commitments, India must hold the line on its patent regime, one that enables affordable access, prevents monopolistic extensions, and safeguards public health. If India yields to pressures for stronger patent protections, it could hinder competition, delay generic drug availability, and inflate medicine prices. And Trump's MFN pricing policy amplifies these concerns as pharmaceutical companies may intensify efforts to offset reduced profits in the US by seeking higher prices in markets like India. Nifty Pharma were down by up to 2.5% in the opening of the market. However, it has revived and is trading flat at the time of filing this report. Pharma sector stocks in the Indian stock market showed strong resilience on Monday despite initial pressure due to the anticipated executive order by US President Donald Trump aimed at cutting prescription drug prices in the United States. The Nifty Pharma Index opened the day at 20,949.70 but soon dropped sharply by more than 1,300 points, touching a low of 20,600. The early decline was in line with market expectations that Indian pharmaceutical companies could come under pressure due to the US move. However, as investor confidence improved, following signs of mutual understanding between India and Pakistan on conflict issues, the market mood shifted. This positively sentiment helped the Nifty Pharma Index rebound more than 2.5% or 1,300 points from its intraday low and was last seen trading flat at 21,047. Experts had predicted a challenging session for pharma stocks as President Trump signed a new executive order. Under the new most favored nation pricing rule, the US will align its drug prices with the lowest prices available in other countries. This measure is expected to bring immediate cost relief for American patients but could have global implications for the pharmaceutical sector. Industry watchers like GTRI believe that MFN pricing rule may lead to a global price connection. Pharmaceutical companies might intensify efforts to push for higher drug prices in low-cost markets such as India. This could be done by urging changes in India's patent laws through international trade talks, potentially increasing drug prices in the Indian market in the long term. Despite these concerns, the strong recovery in the Nifty Pharma Index reflects investor confidence in the Indian pharma sector's ability to withstand external pressures and adjust to the global regulatory changes. Stay tuned to the Savera. For more updates, do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.